Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost your Reels on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need the Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, just go and log in. And let's get straight to it. So, as we said, if we want to boost our reel on Instagram, first of all, we will need to have reel on our profile. Let's just go to your profile first. How can you do that? Just look at the bottom right corner and click at your icon, profile icon, then it will take you to your profile. For me, as you can see, I have a reel here. I have a lot of reels here, because if I click on that, sorry, I meant I have some posts here, but I don't have reels. So how can I add some reel first? All I need to do, just click on the plus button on the top right corner and click on reel. Then all I need to do, just record a small reel, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 even seconds, just to test. Then click on preview, got it, and click on next. Then click on, maybe if you want to tag some people or do whatever you want with the settings. It's not what we want now. Just click on next and share. Let's just wait for our reel until it loads or it's upload. As you can see here, our reel just uploaded. If you want to maybe add some like or whatever, let's just go to our profile again and click on our reel. So how can we boost our reel on Instagram? Just go to your reel first, and then all you need to do, just click on the three dots here on the top right corner of the reel. As you can see here, we have the first option, which is boost reel. Just click on that. Let me just click again. And they are telling me that this reel video can't be boosted. Reels shared to Facebook cannot be boosted as ads. Choose a different reel to create an ad. So for me, as an example, I shared this reel to Facebook, so I cannot boost this one. But if I want to boost it, if you want to boost your reel, make sure you do not share it with Facebook, and all you need to do, just click on the three dots, then click boost reel, and it will be boosted. You'll just need to make a payment and choose some settings that you want, and that will be it. So thanks you for watching. I hope you like this video, and goodbye.